How to edit IFTA gallons in FMS. Begin by logging into the Fleet Management System, FMS, for seamless access. Click on IFTA to access the IFTA feature. Kindly note that the IFTA feature is only accessible through the Premium Plus plan. Under IFTA, select Trips to edit gallons. IFTA will work if and only if driver has truck assigned and device is connected to logbook app while driving. The Active Trucks tab will display all currently available or added trucks in your account. The Deleted Trucks tab will show trucks that have been deleted from the account. Choose the specific truck for which you want to edit the details. Select the desired date range. To edit gallons, locate the desired state, for which gallons are already added. Click on plus icon to view the added details. Click on Edit icon under Action to edit the gallons. Edit the amount and quantity of gallons, then click on Add. Yay! The gallons have been successfully edited.